Across the globe, vast stretches of land once teeming with life are now barren deserts, victims of human activity and climate change. But the battle is not over. Desertification and land degradation threaten our ecosystems, livelihoods, and the very air we breathe. Yet hope rises from the ashes. Innovative projects and strong community, building with permaculture and indigenous hybrid, with the latest scientific discoveries are determined to save Earth. While many deserts have existed for millions of years like the Sahara, human activities like overgrazing, deforestation, and intensive agriculture have accelerated desertification, leading to the degradation of land. It is estimated that 3.5 billion hectares, nearly 30% of the world's total land, have been degraded by intensive human activities. Land degradation is the long-term decline in the productivity and functionality of land, caused by human activities like deforestation, overgrazing, and improper agriculture, as well as natural events. This process reduces the land's ability to support ecosystems, impacting food security, biodiversity, and livelihoods globally. This video is sponsored by me. I'm building www.quantumcompass.xyz, a free encyclopedia for natural science, with 3D models and quizzes. Permaculture and sustainable agriculture are game changers for our environment, economy, and communities. Environmentally, these practices create strong, resilient ecosystems. They boost biodiversity, improve soil health, and help retain water, which means better crop yields and less need for chemicals. Economically, they make farming more profitable. By using resources wisely and recycling waste, farmers can reduce costs and increase their profits. Socially, permaculture builds stronger communities. It uses local knowledge, improves food security, and supports local economies, making communities more resilient and self-sufficient. These methods can even restore degraded lands, boosting long-term productivity and health. Permaculture is practiced worldwide, transforming low-input and degraded areas into thriving, productive landscapes. In short, permaculture and sustainable agriculture are essential for creating resilient, productive, biodiverse, strong ecosystems with more healthy air and mitigating atmospheric CO2. Fighting against climate change. Does more plants and trees, animals, and biodiverse ecosystems good for long-term Earth health? Planting more trees and increasing plant coverage is generally good for the Earth and the atmosphere. Many studies show the positive impacts of afforestation, planting new forests, and reforestation, restoring lost forests. Carbon sequestration. More trees mean more carbon dioxide absorbed from the atmosphere, helping to combat climate change. Forest restoration could increase forest areas by over 25%, storing over 200 gigatons of carbon. Air quality improvement. Urban trees can reduce air pollution, improving public health by filtering out harmful particles like PM2.5 and PM10. The effectiveness depends on the forest size and density. Biodiversity and ecosystem services. Increased tree cover provides habitats for various species and enhances ecosystem services such as water regulation and soil protection. However, it's important to manage the potential impacts on existing habitats and species. Resilience to climate change. Trees help increase resilience to climate change. However, their ability to store carbon can be affected by factors like temperature changes, droughts, and pests, which can alter their growth and carbon storage capacity. The human battle against desertification and land degradation by Quantum Compass. Desert have expanded, land degraded, permaculture using indigenous knowledge and science to biodiversity.